I think cooking is like very
What?
therapeutic for me. Cooking.
I heard cocaine.
It's
This is not cool, and it wasn't bitch.
इतना दिखाया ना ZNMD में ऐसे बैठे रहते हैं ऐसा मतलब
Enjoying.
overthink करते रहते हैं. It's all worth it.
Second I have for you is please like blend your base properly. Like there's like patches everywhere of a skin showing. No.
रोज रोज तो आएगी भाई.
आएगी भाई.
रोलेक्स का पता नहीं.
रोज
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 रोज तो आएगी. And the last one is I want you to have dreadlocks.
What? चलो.
Hi guys, I'm Srishti.
I'm Dhritika.
I'm Sanjana.
And we are Besharam.
So I don't know about you guys, but I am a huge list maker, like you guys already know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like I'm a little insane like that because I have lists for lists to the point where sometimes I make physical lists, then I have a list on my personal WhatsApp, and I also have a list on my notes app.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I think we've established that we don't like work, Sanjana.
Yeah.
I do not like work, Sanjana, but
Yeah.
in a way, I really like that because it just like that's the purpose of lists to like
It
get
keeps you in
everything in check and like
Hmm.
you have everything there physically,
Right.
so you know what your next move is.
Hmm.
But I don't know, I just love having all my thoughts and all my goals in one consolidated place.
Right.
And I think that's where my love for making bucket lists also started.
Mhm.
And not only now, making lists of, for that matter, bucket lists
Hmm.
has been something that I'm passionate about or I just enjoy doing since like childhood.
Mm-hmm.
So how did you guys ever make bucket lists growing up?
Nah,
Or
Yeah.
I've never been a person to make lists whatsoever. Like unless it really needs. I've mentioned this before. Unless something needs planning to the T is when I make lists. Other than that, I've never been a person to like, oh, I'm gonna write this down so I don't forget, or I'll make a list so I don't forget. But like, yeah, I did have a bucket list. I did make it recently, but then I deleted it. It was on my notes app,
Oh.
and then I was like, you know what? Because I felt sort of demotivated because none of the things that on my bucket list was sort of coming true, or like or there was a long time for even one of them to come true. So I was like, there's no purpose of it. And I already not like a list person. So I was like, you know what,
Yeah.
fuck this shit.
I
Whatever
think-
happens, happens.
Yeah.
I think the way I used to segregate my bucket lists were or like my to-do lists for that matter was like what I wanted to do today versus what I wanted to do like get accomplished in like let's say a month or a year or something, which is why I got that obsessed with making lists that I used to make it for everything. So I was a little obsessive like that.
For me, I've always been a list person. It was not like, oh, we have to do the, technically that, but it was never like, oh, we have to, get this done.
Yeah.
It was mostly like, by this age, I want to do this. By this age, I want to complete with this.
Right.
By this age, I want to buy a house. By this age, that. And when I was very young, my lists only revolved around career for some random reason. I don't
Yes.
know why. So when I was young and I was told by my parents, what do you want to become? And very clearly my parents told me that you should be an IS officer, because my dad wanted to be an IS
Right.
officer and he couldn't because of the financial conditions and everything. So then I was like, okay, I'll do all of that. And at the age of, I think, 6 or 7, I was told exactly what I need to study. Like till 12th, I have to take arts. After arts, I have to take sociology. Then I have to do my master's in sociology
I did that.
or political science. Yeah. And then once I'm done with that, post that, I will have to give the UPSC exam or the MPSC exam.
So you had it like planned out to the T.
out to the T, literal T.
Wow.
And then in 9th standard, I come up and I'm like,
नहीं हो रहा है होगा ही
छोड़ो
नहीं.
छोड़ दो टाटा बाय बाय.
Yeah.
फिर उसके बाद मतलब my list kind of were like, they mostly revolved around the fact that I need to get, like, this is something that should be in my possession. This is something that it didn't necessarily have to be a materialistic thing.
Okay.
It could be an idea, it could be an ideology, it could be like a degree or something.
Fair.
It could be like, you know, something really cool.
Like basically something that you wanted to inculcate in your lifestyle, maybe.
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. So I have like a huge believer in manifestation also.
Yeah.
So I can like very, very clearly tell you guys, whatever you write, put it out there in universe, it comes to you. Trust
Yes.
me, it
For sure.
genuinely comes to you.
I
So
yeah, go on.
do you guys know the vision board that I made last year? And I had those like yellow
Yeah, I remember you
vision
telling
board
us
and
this.
everything. Yeah, so out of, I think there were 9 images in the grid. Out of the 9, 7 are like, I have the exact same to same images for those 7 from the grid.
Oh,
my
nice.
God.
And the
True, true,
rest 2 were only cash and a Rolls Royce, which will take time.
It'll take time. It'll come.
Yeah.
Rolls Royce to आएगी भाई.
आएगी भाई.
Rolls Royce, Rolex का पता नहीं.
Rolls
Rolls
Royce
Royce तो आएगी.
But I think I used to see that happening a lot, like in childhood also, like from the first bucket list that I made. Of course, I don't remember everything that I had on that list, but I just very vividly remember getting a piece of paper and like having bucket list written in very nice handwriting, decorating it with like flowers and like leaves and all falling from the side, and like jotting down every single thing that, you know, my 6-year-old self envisioned for
Yeah.
what I wanted at that point in my life. And it was so cute because
Those were very
Uh,
little things.
those were such
sometimes.
little things, and they were such they were so innocent, because the
Yeah,
asks
yeah.
that you had back then was like, of course they're going to be very different from what they're now,
No.
but I feel like they were also such doable things,
Yeah.
and like go to the park or like
It's gonna be as simple as like pray once a day or like go to the temple once
oh my
a
god.
week.
One of the things that I really, really loved doing, and I remember when my mom finally allowed me to do it, I couldn't explain how happy I was to my mom.
What was it?
So I had this kitchen set, okay, and it was a little. The utensils and stuff were a little bigger. They were not the very chotu plates and
Yeah.
the chotu spoons and stuff.
Were they China crockery or something?
I had that too,
Yeah.
but this was
my mom didn't let me play with them because she was too afraid I'd break them.
I broke
Yeah,
mine,
yeah, yeah.
but no, this is a little different. So
Yeah.
I had a belan and a roti ka the
Yeah.
Yeah.
the thing.
Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
and it was like this big. Okay, it was this big, and I had a belan also. And I used to always ask my mom, like, you know, I want to make chapati. I want to make roti. And my mom was like, no, you stand next to me and you just see how I'm doing it.
Yeah.
And then one fine day, she needed a little like atta, and she gave me like a small piece of dough. And I am sitting on the ground. This is like dinner time, okay? At like 8:30, I'm sitting on the ground and I'm rolling my chapati on my little
Pressure,
Yeah, I'm
pressure.
like, shit, I have to feed the entire family at this point. And the dough had fallen on the ground like multiple times. And it had hair stuck to it and
Oh my
stuff like that. But I'm like, I will make it.
I'm sorry, but do you guys remember Khujri wali roti from 3 Idiots?
No, that was it. That was actually my roti.
Oh my god.
But I made it, okay? It wasn't round, of course. It wasn't perfect, but it was something that I made. And I go and show it to my mom, and I'm like, hey, woman, I made this. And she, of course, looks at it and she's like, that's beautiful, but I can't make you eat that because that has like a shit ton of dirt in it. So, like, she, of course, didn't tell it to me because I would get discouraged.
Fair.
But she was like, I'll make it. She, of course, threw that, and then she made a similar looking one to mine.
Oh, damn.
And she like cooked it, and then
That's so
I ate
cute.
it that night for my dinner.
Damn.
And I was so happy eating that chapati that I made. It was very small, of course,
Yeah.
but it was something that I made, and that was one of the things that I wanted to do because I used to see my mom making it every day.
Yeah.
I was so happy.
So
I think one of it, I didn't have a bucket list as I mentioned, but like one thing that I envisioned for myself to know when I was older was to know how to cook, because like of course you see your mom cook, you see everyone around you cook, and then I was like I'm like a big foodie, like I love food. It doesn't have to be very like like
Exotic or
Exotic.
elaborate.
exotic or whatever. It's like a basic meal could also like make me happy.
Hmm.
And I was like, I'm gonna learn how to cook when I grow up.
Yeah, it's too tedious.
It's not the idea of it being tedious, but like, why am I doing that? I do not enjoy cooking. Being very honest,
I
I
think-
don't enjoy cooking at all.
I think
I
when it
am.
becomes a chore is when it becomes a little irritating, but then
no,
you just
not
fantasize
for
the
me.
idea of it.
No, not
Yeah,
for
yeah,
me.
like I envision like when I was younger, I'd be like, I'm gonna have this big ass kitchen with like 3-4 gases, and I'm like one here, one here, chopping at one end, like all types of utensils, all types of knives,
Yeah.
good like presentation plates and all of that. But then when I grew up, I'm like, yaar, theek hai yaar, matlab kya hi hai?
No, I think cooking is like very
What?
therapeutic for me. Cooking.
Huh.
Cooking is like
Yeah.
very
I heard
therapeutic.
cooking.
Yes, cooking is extremely therapeutic.
Therapeutic for me. And
Yeah.
I like to have the full control that I get. So when I was young, I think that's what I've observed mostly in all of my friends and everyone's bucket list. When they were young, their bucket list was being completed by their parents. If you go to see, like,
true, to some extent.
now my bucket list involved as a child was going to. So the first thing I ever wrote down in a book was I want to go by bridge someday. Because my elder
my
cousins,
God.
my elder cousins would go on a bike, and
Ah.
of course my parents wouldn't let me go with them. And they would come and tell me, we went to the bridge today. It was so much fun. You should also go. So then I used to go and write in my notebook, I will also want to go to the bridge. In the tuta futa English.
Yeah.
Bridge jana hai bas. Kuch aur pata
Bridge.
nahi.
Yes. Yeah, but also like when you were little, like you said, your parents of course help you to some extent to fulfill a lot of, like, check a lot of boxes on
Yeah,
your
yeah.
bucket list. But I feel everything used to be completed.
Everything. My parents have completed everything that I've envisioned.
Yeah, be it
all of them. All of
exactly,
them.
be it your parents, be it you with whatever skills you had at that point, your friends, your siblings,
Yeah.
it used to be completed, and then you move on to the next list.
My one of my favorite bucket list was to, when I was very young, I wanted to travel by plane.
That I think is on everyone's
Yeah,
bucket
yeah.
list at some point. Travel by train.
Travel by
Plane.
plane.
Sorry, plane.
And we were not that financially great. So I used to always be like, all my other friends have gone by plane. I have never been. So I didn't ever tell this to my parents that I want to travel by plane. But then one single time, my dad comes up and he tells me, we are going to our village. I was like, okay, train se hi jayenge ya fir car se hi jayenge. It's fine only. And then we are in the car. And my dad is asking my mom, Aadhaar card liya kya, vagara vagara. I don't remember if it was back then. I'm not sure. No, it had just introduced. Aadhaar cards were like just introduced.
Okay.
And after that, we are in the car and we see that my dad takes us out at the airport. And I'm like, airport pe kyun hai? Kahan ja rahe hai? And then my dad is like, गाँव ही जा रहे हैं, बस flight से जा रहे हैं.
Oh, yeah, something similar also happened to me. Like, I mean, I was also in a similar situation where I was like, I wanted to go by a plane, but it was never like, it was always like, you know how ek din jayenge. It was never in the near future for me. And then I remember when my dad had told my brother and me that we're going by plane, we were so ecstatic. We were like, shit, this is going to be better than the actual vacation.
Yes.
Yeah.
For sure. One thing I vividly remember, it wasn't like I had this envision for myself. So in school, I was really into sports. I was an athlete, right? So on sports day specifically, like of course, mom has come for every single sports day of mine. Didi aur mera dono ka, she's always been there. Every single sports day. So like I would see like a few seniors of mine, they would like, run races and like win medals. Like, every 5 minutes they would come back with a new medal. And the thing for, I don't know if this was with every school, but like for my school, many races would happen before the sports day. And only the prizes would be given on the event. So I was like, that's so cool. Like I'm imagining her mother being like so proud कि मतलब हर 5 मिनट में मेरी बेटी मतलब मेरे को मेडल लाके दे रही है, सर्टिफिकेट लाके दे रही है. And I was like, ये तो करेंगे यार एक बार, मतलब crazy करना है. Cut to I think this happened for consecutively 3 to 4 years, I think. Maybe more, but yeah, I remember 3 to 4 years of this happening consecutively. And the first year this happened, so I think I was in 7th or 8th where I was eligible to run 200 for 200 to nahi, 400, 600,
Like under 14 and under
800,000,
16
हाँ,
and stuff.
all of that. And I was like, I'm going to do it, of course, because like मुझे अपना house represent करना है. I have to do this. And then I take part and I come third, second, first in all of these races. ठीक है?
Wow.
And prize distribution हो रहा था sports day के दिन, and it was a university ground. I remember to the
Yeah, all of them have
University ground, yeah.
University.
And Mama sitting stands par with her friend. She's like chatting. And I didn't tell Mama that, I've won races and I'm going to participate in more. Like, she knew I would participate because obviously. But like, she didn't know कि मैंने पहले school में race कर दिया and results are going to be announced today. I didn't tell her that.
Oh, wow.
Cut to on like the prize, like on the sports day event, मैं हर 5 मिनट में मम्मी के पास एक medal और certificate लेके जा रही हूँ. मतलब 200 ये लो, 400 ये लो, relay ये लो, 600 ये लो. And it was such a proud moment for me because I could see my mom's like eyes like gleaming through. She's like, the fuck, this is crazy.
Yeah.
And
Damn.
that is one thing I'm never going to forget about
That's so cool.
me that I've envisioned for myself.
That's
That's
too cool.
so,
Yeah.
that's so
And like
wholesome.
Mama has kept all those medals till date. All the certificates are like intact with everything. And
Yeah. It's damn cute.
it's
Yeah,
it was a
bro.
great moment. Like I remember how I was feeling. I remember Mama's feelings also. Like it was damn
Overwhelming.
yeah.
In a good way.
Yeah.
Very
Oh,
overwhelming in a good way,
definitely,
for sure.
definitely.
So for us in my family, my dad has always been very enthusiastic about driving and riding and rifle shooting and swimming.
Yes.
So in our family, it is compulsory for you to know swimming, driving, riding. These three
Ooh.
are the basics. Yes. A child, if they are above 12, they have to start learning driving. Swimming to starts when we are 8, 9 or something like that. So this one time, my dad just got his kinetic and he was just like driving it. So then he was like, do you want to try? And I was like, yeah. He made me try it. फिर उसके बाद जो आदत लग गई है ना स्टेयरिंग पकड़ने की, फिर
छुट्टी नहीं.
exactly, then he used to, whenever we used to go out for trips or vacations or anything, or we would go on a drive, my dad would make me sit on his lap and drive the just hold the steering.
Yeah.
And then he
Yeah.
would
Like they would
obviously-
hold the mirror and then on the bike and they're like staring through.
Oh yeah. I've seen that happening too. Like when I also travel by cabs and I see like families sitting on a bike and then the kid is just like
yeah, very focused. The kid is more focused than the dad at all the time. So I used to be like that with the steering. Like, हाँ भाई, ये पूरा सबकी जिंदगी मेरे हाथ में है.
shit, yeah.
मुझे पता ही नहीं नीचे क्लच ब्रेक और एक्सेलरेटर है.
मेरा
मेरे
पैर
पास-
भी नहीं पहुंच रहा.
अरे पैर तो मेरा भांडी मार के बैठी हूँ मैं कोठी में. पैर का दूर तक संभालने है. I'm just like, हाँ पूरा घर का जिम्मेदारी मेरे ऊपर है. मैं ही हेवी ड्राइवर हूँ मैं.
तू है मैं उड़ गई थी.
तेरे को बैठना नहीं आता.
But yeah, go on.
So after that incident, my dad was like, you will also drive, no, one day. Like once in my lifetime, I want to sit beside you and you drive patiently
Yes.
and everything. And then I was like, हाँ एक बार करेंगे. Then multiple years of him abusing me on the passenger seat. Just like, bro, okay. Little off topic, but no sane person would drive if my dad is sitting in the passenger seat. A person who has this much also brains, no, or this much also self-respect, no, will not do that. Bro, it's just constant yelling. It's just like, वो mirror में देख, ये mirror में देख, ये rear view mirror में
but I
कौन
think
तेरा.
that's all dads, no?
Yeah,
My dad will shut.
bro,
Shut.
that is
Silent.
worse.
Silent.
That is worse.
He will only look here, look there, give me a look. but you won't
Oh,
utter
yeah.
a
That
word.
is worse.
I
मेरी
can't
सुसु
tell what's
निकल
worse.
जाएगी
That
उसमें.
is so stressful.
मेरी सच में माँ
I'm
कसम
like,
सुसु
मतलब
निकल
मैं सही
जाएगी.
कर रही हूँ, गलत कर रही हूँ. आप
Exactly.
देख रहे हो मैंने कुछ किया, ठुकी नहीं है गाड़ी, ठुकी है, क्या चल क्या रहा है भाई?
Bro, my dad, he's constantly इधर देख उधर देखो, राइट से गाड़ी आ रही है, राइट से. I'm like, हाँ मेरे को दिख रहा है. और इतना सब हुआ, मैं रोने लगी स्टेयरिंग पे. And I got out of the car and then he's like, तू बैठ बाजू में. फिर मैं बैठी बाजू में और फिर मुझे he said this thing to me, he's like, तू ना जाके टैक्सी चला. तेरी मेरी गाड़ी चलाने की हैसियत नहीं है, तू जाके टैक्सी चला. And I was like crying, and then 10 minutes ahead, he's like asking me, चलानी है? I'm like, नहीं भाई, बिल्कुल नहीं. Then after that we go home. He is talking to my mom and he's like, बहुत मस्त चलाती है. नहीं, and I was like, is he being like sarcastic or something? And then मैं ऐसा जाके अंदर सुनी and then he's telling my mom, no, genuinely, she has a good judgment. रैश ड्राइविंग नहीं करती है, तभी नहीं करती थी. मतलब पापा के सामने तो नहीं करूंगी ना.
Yes, yeah, of course.
और ही वाज लाइक कि लेन में रहती है, इंडिकेटर्स देती है, मिरर चेक करती है, उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. बाकी है उसको कब ब्रेक मारना है, कितना एक्सेलरेट करना है. भगाती है, बहुत भगाती है, बट
Yeah.
कंट्रोल में रहती है गाड़ी उसकी. तो देन आई वाज लाइक, तू इतना क्यों डांटा? एंड देन ही वाज लाइक, जस्ट टू मेक यू टफ. एंड cut to, I think 2-3 days earlier, when we all went to visit one of my family members outside Bombay, my dad in the passenger seat has slept.
Oh, brother.
Like silently slept. और even I was like, I have so much responsibility. ना पूरा भाई रात के 2 बजे वापस आ रहे थे, पूरा रास्ता खाली था, मेरी गाड़ी 60 के ऊपर नहीं गई.
शाबाश कचरा.
Damn.
So like that is one of the biggest bucket list achievement of mine. Like for
Yeah,
sure,
dude.
dad sleeping next to you.
While you're driving is a big achievement on its own.
huge
Yeah.
achievement.
But
You know,
was it a thing for y'all? Because I never made bucket lists, but it just occurred to me while this conversation. Like, did your bucket lists also consider of a few points that your parents would want y'all to do,
Yeah.
or was it just your ideas?
So the relationship that I have with my parents, it's very candid in the sense that if they have any expectations from me, and now this may sound very like इनको तो पड़ी ही नहीं है, but they do have certain expectations, but it's more of a bigger picture, like, oh, we want you to be successful, we want you to have a house, blah blah blah, which is fair as a parent. But they've
Obviously.
never had any specifications in terms of oh, you know, by this age I want you to do this at this. They've always given me that upper hand and the
freedom.
freedom to the freedom to make my decisions for myself. So my bucket lists have always been
What do you want?
very personal to me. Which also got me thinking. That now that you said it, while I was researching for this episode, I was going through my notes app, okay, and I have so many like different sections in my notes app, and all of them somehow are some way, in some or the other way, related to goals, bucket lists, what I aspire to do in life, and all that. Okay, so I was just going through a couple, and I'm like, bro, all of these are so. What world was I living in for me to have these dreams? Like, wow, why? I love the freedom that I had and the
Thodi zyada ho
liberty I
gayi.
gave to myself. Yeah, you know what was one of them?
What?
Get yourself admitted into Harvard. I
तूने
know.
For me, it was
No. The thing is, I knew that I didn't have the intellect to get into Harvard,
Intellect.
and I knew that,
लिखना है बस.
I was like,
लिख
Harvard.
के
Harvard,
रखना है.
Harvard sounds nice.
Yeah, sounds fancy.
From like the shows, the movies that I've seen, everyone aspires to go to Harvard. So even I
yeah.
want to go. That was one. Then I was like, wait, what else?
Mine was Oxford University of London.
Yeah. Oxford even I had.
I got into
Oldest college.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
like
got into a
aesthetic.
closer when it comes to London, Manchester. But now where I am, SP Jain. I mean, what the hell was
Yeah, we're not
At least
shitting on
it's-
SP Jain, but
we're
we're
not-
just like
At least
comparing
it's the same city. Like let's acknowledge the fact that it's the same city. So
Yeah,
you're close.
very
you can go
close.
visit it.
Very
If
देख
not
के
be
आ
in it.
सकते हैं।
हाँ.
हाँ बट मेरा कोर्स वैसे भी ऑक्सफोर्ड में है ही नहीं तो क्या ही करती मैं उधर जाके
They should make a course for you.
yeah no
They should now.
yeah.
But yeah, what I was getting to is that this bucket list is like from what 4-5 years back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I was what 18.
Hmm.
Yeah.
No, I was what 16-17 when I made this list.
yeah
Yeah.
I was fresh out of school and I was like, अब बनेंगे सपने, अब लिखेंगे
सपने देखना.
सपने सच्ची में भाई बुरे तो है ही नहीं. So I was like so I don't even know what I was thinking when I was making those lists. I was just jotting it down
Hmm.
and this must
now it's really annoying
Yeah, man. Anyway, so that's one thing that I also liked about that Sanjana, you know?
Hmm.
Like I knew, a part of me knew that a lot of these things that I'm putting down are near to impossible.
Hmm.
Like it's very likely that none of this is going to happen.
yeah
But regardless, I just put it down.
I
And you never know. Like 21 is still a very, very fresh age.
Very.
You never know. I may get something close to
I'm
getting
gonna-
into Harvard.
I'm gonna tell you I do not believe in that. I really believe that you can do literally anything and everything. Like a random thing will
Yeah,
happen.
true.
Something randomly happen and you will get what you want.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I
completely
True.
believe in that.
A small part of me also is a very big believer that even if you don't get what you asked for, you'll get something remotely close to it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And, you know, like you said, you never know in what way.
Hmm.
Like your career or your life choices or decisions may not even be related to that specific thing, but it will somehow circle back to it if you
Exactly.
genuinely believe
So
it.
I'm
I'm a big believer of this one quote that says समय से पहले और समय से ज्यादा ना किसी को कुछ मिला है ना मिलेगा
Yeah.
और जो पाने की कोशिश करेगा वो बर्बाद हो जाएगा. And my dad has always told this story.
Bro, I keep saying this. This is my favorite quote from Bhagavad Gita.
It's my favorite quote too. I love this
I
one.
always keep saying this. This is like my motto. I
For sure.
completely believe. So you guys remember the time when I wanted, like, just last year of my graduation, I
Hmm.
was like, I don't want to study anywhere else. I just want to study in Singapore. I just want to get into a college at Singapore. I just want
Right.
to study in Singapore.
Hmm.
And then post that, I started researching which were the better countries for my profile or for my course. And I realized Dubai is a better option. But then until then, I had gotten into, I think, 4 or 5 universities from London. And I had almost accepted the offers. I had almost made like the initial payment. And
Yes.
after that, but I had gotten into no university from Singapore.
Hmm.
Like there are only 3 universities which supported my course, and one of them though was very difficult to get in. Very, very, very difficult. Like 0.5% chances.
Hmm.
And one was like an engineering college. So I knew even if I would be there, I would struggle a lot.
Right.
And the third one was also quite difficult, but also very, very, very expensive. So for me, it was like कि but सिंगापुर में पढ़ना था यार और मैं मतलब मैंने पेपर पे लिख के रखा था मैंने सारे मंदिर में जाके बोला था कि मेरा ये बकेट लिस्ट है मुझे सिंगापुर में रहना है मुझे वहाँ पे पढ़ना है मुझे वहाँ पे एंजॉय करना है and out of nowhere my dad's partner comes and tells me about this college which has like Tri-City program.
Hmm.
And he's like Singapore is one of the countries and Dubai is also great for you.
It's an option.
Yeah, so that is an option too. And you've always wanted to work in Dubai and always wanted to study in Singapore. You can do that. And I didn't think twice. I spoke to my dad, and my dad was like, I've always wanted you to go to Dubai. I think this is destined for you. And I applied, I got in. Bro, that is the power I believe in. Like
Yeah.
something you
For
write
sure.
down, something
Definitely.
you hold it in your mind, it happens.
हाँ लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं. As long as you believe you're gonna achieve it is all that it takes.
Yeah, but I feel just writing it down just brings a part of it into existence because you're writing it because a small or big part of you believes it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So you're like, ठीक है,
Fair.
I'm writing it down. Half of it is already done.
Yeah.
Fair.
The other half is just getting it actually for you. But yeah, no, I am a big believer in writing things down and like having them work for your favor.
Do you guys have like any coolest bucket list that you've ever done, like completed? Coolest things from your bucket list that you guys have completed?
This is not cool, and it wasn't even bitch.
I'm sorry, there's a fly. She just shouted at it.
Bitch.
Is this like a मक्खी जिसका पुनर्जन्म हुआ मेरे को तंग करने आया है? रुक जा यार, शूट कर रही हूँ.
I think that's Zia. She wants to be in the frame.
Chalo. I was just letting it out.
Hmm.
Yeah, so it's not cool, it's not crazy. Again, I do not endorse it, but I had this one wild thing in my head to like travel without a ticket by trains, like local trains. And like the first time I did it, like I shat my pants. I was like, fuck, this is crazy.
I don't know why. I was expecting something big.
But
आ गई तो किधर लोकल ट्रेन पे?
क्या मस्त पॉटी किया है इसने.
but मैंने बोला ना मेरे इतने
Sorry, to
crazy
be fair,
fantasies
she did
नहीं
warn
थे.
us. She did warn us. My bad.
वार्निंग दी थी. हाँ, फिर तब से मतलब मैं बिना टिकट के ट्रैवल कर.
अरे ये नहीं बोलना होता है. But नहीं,
I've
fair.
been raw dogging it ever since. But yeah, like the first time I did it for sure, like I shat my pants. I was very scared. Like I was like, भगवान जी बस एक बार पार करवा दो, फिर मैं अगली बार से कभी नहीं करूंगी. करती रही. भगवान ने हर बार पार करवा दी. So yeah, that's one of the things that I did.
For you.
That's the thing with me. Like, even though I am a great list maker, I forget. And that's why I make more new lists.
Yeah.
Okay. So even if there is something that was on my bucket list and I've done it, like, you know, it's always, and I don't know if this is like a normal thing and if it happens to everyone, but then because I obsess over it so much, that, oh, I want it. When it finally comes, it's not such a big deal for me to the point where I remember it.
Yeah.
You know, because I was genuinely like trying to think of things that were on my bucket list and what I've achieved and what has happened to me, and nothing significant
Same.
that I remember to the point where I'm like, oh, this is something that I had wished for and this has happened. I'm pretty sure that today I stand with a lot of things already happened for me that I wished for, but
you don't remember it.
I lack, in some way I lack gratitude for the things that have already happened to me. But I do have like a bunch of things that, you know, I
Already
have on
lined
my
up.
Yeah, exactly. I
Yeah,
have a lot of
definitely.
things that I have
Yeah.
lined up, and again, it may not be very like, you know, aspirational or
Very
all that,
serious.
very serious.
Mhm.
Of course, there are certain things that are serious
of
and
course.
aspirational, but there are some things like I have always. So this is something that my mom and I have always wanted to do as a mother and daughter, is learn pottery.
Oh.
Okay, both of us are very down to earth. We love earth. No, I'm kidding.
मिट्टी से प्यार है.
मिट्टी से प्यार है भाई. But no, we genuinely love like plants or just, you know, doing anything around that. So even in our house, like right now the plants are dead and dried.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've always like wanted to have, you know, the part
Nice
of my
garden.
balcony.
Yeah, like
The part of my balcony where
Yeah,
the plants, the dead plants are there.
yeah.
We want to put pots over there and have like more planters falling down from the grills.
creepers,
Like
and
creepers.
Creepers, exactly. So
No, climbers. Creepers are. Climbers are.
yeah.
Yeah.
But basically, my mom and I have wanted to do this from the longest time now, and like we all know, the pottery making classes in like Bombay are very fucking expensive.
I also remember you telling me that you and your mom want to take a trip together once.
Yes, that is our duo bucket list.
Yes.
We want to travel to one country together as a mom and daughter.
That's
So that is one. But again, coming back to pottery has been on my list for years now. And it again doesn't have to be those elaborate ones. It can be something as simple as a plate or like a normal bowl or something.
Yeah.
But just the idea of doing it with my mom and her doing it with me just is something that we look forward to. And
Yeah. What about you, Suresh?
So for me, the coolest thing that I've completed from my bucket list is to start a venture with my friends.
oh,
I love that.
fuck, shut up, dude. Y'all know this.
Yeah.
No.
What? Your notes, right? You
Yes.
had it in your notes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've said this on the pod,
Yeah.
but
I know it.
for those of you who don't know this, I
एक
had
मिनट तेरा रिएक्शन ऐसे क्यों था?
Yeah.
Mm.
You said venture.
Yeah, this is a venture.
Okay.
okay.
Go on, yeah.
Okay. So I had made this list I think back in 19 or 20. Okay. And I randomly I made a notes app and it said podcast topics. Okay. And I jotted down 3 topics. I don't remember what they were, but I remember this was at your house. The 4 of us had met at your house. And we did not speak about anything related to a podcast or anything
Ever before.
ever before. We didn't even discuss that, the 4 of us should start something on our own. It just came to my mind because I was like, I love talking. I was like, I'm just going to put this on my notes app, and I put 3 topics. Okay. Cut to 2023 when we started filming at least. It didn't occur to me, and then randomly I was going through my notes app and I saw that and I was like, fuck, this is something I put down like 3 years back. And it actually happened.
Damn crazy.
I don't remember topics, but it was something very generic, like parents and like
Do you have it
families and stuff.
still?
Siblings?
Do you have the app still?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'll have to search for it. But yeah, that was something on my notes app, and
Yeah, so that
yeah.
is one of the coolest things I've done. Then I think one more was deep sea diving.
Oh, yeah.
I've always
when
wanted
did you
to.
do that?
When I was in school.
Huh?
You've done it?
Oh.
Yeah. With my parents.
Oh damn! How
Yeah.
was it?
It was very beautiful, bro. There's
Of course. I mean,
beautiful. वो उतना
stupid
दिखाया
question
है
of me to
ना,
ask.
इतना दिखाया ना ZNMD में, ऐसे बैठे रहते हैं, ऐसा मतलब
Enjoying.
overthink करते रहते हैं. It's all worth it. Very beautiful.
Wow.
Wow.
So, and one more like crazy ass thing that I have on my bucket list, but I haven't been able to complete, and I want to complete is to learn to fly a plane. I don't know why.
Yeah, I can't because of my fucking motion sickness, bro. I wanted to be an air hostess also once, but then I realized my motion sickness है. I'm like, ठीक है भाई, I'll live with it now.
एस ब्रिज पे गान पड़ती है इसकी हवाई जहाज पे हम लोग गाड़ी में रहते हैं, एस ब्रिज आते हैं, धृतिका ऐसे
Yeah. She has to like go quiet and silent and be like,
ऐसा,
guys, don't
fo-
talk to me.
हाँ.
No, because y'all don't know how it works.
No,
It's very trivial.
Yeah,
Like,
we are
even
not
Even if I'm like
disregarding it.
on the S bridge or something remotely close to that, or
Yeah.
like a ghat or something, and if people are talking around me, I will listen to them. And if there's more than one person talking,
Mhm.
then my mind's at both the places.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And even that can trigger my
See,
motion
I'm not
sickness.
saying that we'll stop making fun of this. We will definitely continue.
everyone
we will
does,
make
but-
fun of you specifically. The others, we will completely take care of them. Like, हाँ
We
भाई.
take care of her. We also shut the fuck up when
Yeah,
she's having
Yeah,
her
yeah, yeah.
episode.
moment.
Yeah, episode. I mean, when she's going through it. But yeah, we're very considerate like that.
Love you.
But yeah, what do you guys have on like your current bucket lists? Do y'all have any like wild things? Are there any of them which are time bound? Are like what's the scene with your bucket list?
So, one crazy thing that I have on my bucket list that I really want to achieve is to learn sign language. Like I've seen people do it, and it's just so interesting the way they like communicate just through hands and like do like sign language and everything. And I don't even know how the idea came to me. Like it was a very random thought कि मुझे sign language सीखना है, and that is one thing that it's very doable. It's very doable. Like
Yeah.
it's pretty doable, and I hope at least up until I'm 30 or like 35.
No,
I
I think
think I
30
would
is fine.
time
enough.
it. That is something I can time.
I
Like or
think
put like a
30
time constraint too.
30 is
Hmm.
fine enough.
Right?
For me, there are these two things. One is like very, very crazy, very stupid. I know it's not possible, but I used to think of it as a child. Or like when I was just introduced to the concept of visas. It's like एक दो तो countries में ऐसे ही घूम के आना है.
अच्छा, I thought you would say मुझे visa officer बनना है.
क्यों भाई? मुझे
But that's why wouldn't it happen?
No, बिना visa baby.
अच्छा, बिना visa के है. Oh.
बिना टिकट बिना
exactly.
वीजा. सेम वेवलेंथ पे हम, सेम वेवलेंथ पे.
मेरे को बस
बढ़िया.
लॉकअप में डालेंगे. तेरे को 520 लेके छोड़ देंगे. And
yeah.
one more, now this is, I aim to do this in the next 7 to 8 years. So, I've always wanted to give back a lot to the less fortunate ones. And I want to do that for the farmers. So, I want to like go and take a break from, if I'm working in a company, I would want to take a break from the
From corporate.
from
Corporate life.
Corporate life.
from corporate. If I have my own business, I would like to take a break from my business and go spend some time in the villages or in the areas where I can help and like literally be there, not just help there financially, be there, try to do as much as I can.
Yeah.
And just kind of develop some regions, at least the ones that are near to my village. Now my village is definitely quite developed, but still there are a lot of neighboring villages that are not that developed and not doing that well. And so I want to give it back to the farmers of the village. I want to give it back to the nature.
Yeah.
Oh, I also have a very similar thing. And I love animals, like be it as dangerous. I am a big animal lover. And I've always, like, this has always been in my mind. Like, whenever I start earning, I'm definitely going to save a small portion of it for, like, NGOs or
Or like a shelter or something for animals.
yeah, and like, like not give some, like a small amount to everyone, but like monthly give enough to one, like to each and every one of them. So somehow I'm contributing to help things that I really love. And like like I said, I'm a huge animal lover. So like even if I can't like foster one or can't adopt one even if I can't adopt or like foster one, the least I can do is help them in a certain way. And if financially, if that's what's gonna help them, why not? And like I'm definitely gonna do that for sure.
Yeah, you mentioned taking a break from corporate, and this has not been like a dream of mine for like a really long time, but I just feel like a part of me would just love to experience slow living.
Yes.
And I know this is all over Instagram, or at least my Instagram, where I'm seeing, I feel, I don't know if this is a generational thing now, but
I think
people
it is.
from our generation, I don't think they give a fuck now.
Yeah.
Like they really want to go back to like
Simplicity.
slow, exactly. So slow and like minimalism and
Yeah.
just like leading a simple life.
Yeah.
And
Definitely.
and I see, I may sound very like oh, you don't care about whatever, but to some extent I don't want to care. Like I want
Fair
to
enough.
look out for myself and like
Fair
just
enough.
exactly.
Once you're at the position where it's fine if you don't give a fuck about a certain things. I
Yeah.
think that's when this will prove to be even more
Exactly.
eventful.
And I just want to have like a small comfortable life outside of the city,
yeah.
and it's just me And like I don't even care if I don't even mind if it's like my friends with me, but just away from the city, away from the hustle and bustle.
Definitely.
Just slow living there. And another thing that I want to do while I'm there is y'all know I love to host parties. I
Yeah.
love even if it's like a small gathering, I enjoy that. And a skill that I want to learn or rather master in a couple of years is mixology.
We're gonna be the two people you experiment on.
I really want to experiment with different kinds of beverages, and
I would
love
to try them.
I genuinely
Same.
enjoy doing it so much because my dad is also a very, very great host. Okay, my love for hosting people and throwing parties comes from my dad, because when I was little, I used to see people come over to our house,
Yeah.
and it was like a big family gathering for whatever occasion, whatever festival, birthdays, anniversaries. It used to be like my house was adda. Like everyone used to come there, eat, have a good time, party, head home. So, and I used to see my dad, like preparing food and drinks for people, and I used to see that, and I used to be like, bro, this is people
much
are having
fun.
so much fun. My dad is having fun hosting.
Hmm.
Some part of me down the line wants to do this for the
Yeah,
people
for
I
sure.
love, for the people close to me.
Yeah.
So learning mixology is something that's on my bucket list, and yeah, I know I'm gonna do it.
For sure.
And
I see you
Yeah.
being like this hot bartender,
Bartender.
yeah,
No.
it's like
mixing drinks, throwing shit around.
yeah.
Damn cool.
But yeah, that is something I look forward to. Definitely.
As these small bucket lists that I have on a daily basis, like actually now that I've thought about it, it's like if I'm starting my day, the thing I'll only think about is God. If the time when I was living in Mumbai, God, please, if I'm going to take my train, don't let the AC doors shut in front of my eyes. Just don't let that happen. Please, please, please.
Yeah. First of all, the frequency of the AC trains are
It's
so less.
bad.
And then on top of that, if you miss it, the tee, it closes.
It
I'm like,
haunts you. It's
Yeah,
like
no, I
haunts
can
you in
imagine.
your
I
It's
can
like
imagine.
rejecting
dreams.
you on your face, and you can't even do anything
it's
about
like,
it.
Bro,
no, you
you-
can't come in.
You literally reach there. You could put your hand, but you can't trust
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's gonna
the
open.
system
Yeah.
of
What if you
that
get crushed?
train. No, हाथ ज़्यादा प्यारा है भाई.
Real by real.
But and you're just there standing, and their train doors have closed, and I see the loco pilot coming out and peeping outside his cabin.
Yeah.
He's looking at me and he smiled,
Yeah.
and he took the fucking train.
Yeah,
आगे, and
they
I
do
was
that.
like,
They do that sometimes.
wow.
They get very sly like that, and I don't
क्या
like it.
हरामी
So
इंसान
even
है भाई.
I also take the train, and I get into the compartment which is closed, like the end
The
wala.
first, yeah.
The first or the end or whatever. And nicely these people are like standing outside looking for everyone.
हाँ भाई ऐसे एक हाथ
Hmm.
कमर पे एक
हाँ.
हाथ दरवाजे पे और मस्त देख रहे हैं.
I will give it to them. Some of them are actually sweet.
Yeah,
Like if they see you running with like a big bag and stuff,
They
they'll
wait, they
actually
wait.
wait. So yeah, I get your frustration.
But
I
ये
get where
AC
you come
वाले
from.
थोड़े से हरामी.
हाँ भाई.
Yeah.
One thing that I had in my bucket list but I removed was to experience a paranormal activity.
Why?
I don't know. I had this on my bucket list for the longest time. And
ले ले भाई, तू मेरे से ले ले. मेरे को बहुत हो रहा है.
and
Damn.
up until recently only is when I removed, because like I didn't knew that manifestation would work for me, because like आज like मैंने manifest कभी किया नहीं, और अगर किया भी है तो करके भूल गई हूँ. तो
But
it's-
manifestation always is working.
I didn't know it worked for me na.
Subconsciously also
Yeah.
हाँ.
keeps working.
So that's why.
Correct.
And then I was like, listen, if I've written it down, there's it, even if there's 0.001% of it happening, I do not want to experience that,
Yeah.
because you don't know what experience you're gonna get. You don't know how you're gonna come out of it, and what if it like creates a little dent in your head forever, and it's gonna be so scary after experiencing that. I'm like, listen, this is never gonna come back in my list again. I don't mind. It's not a cool thing to have also on your list
Yeah,
कि
of
मैंने
course.
experience a paranormal activity. But हाँ, I was like, bhai, this is getting out right now, and then I removed that one thing off of my
Oh my
Great.
god, that is scary.
right. But
There's
Yeah.
one more thing on my bucket list. So, when we were young, my dad had this car, the first car of ours, and I really want to find it back and like get it purchased.
Oh,
It was
you
a
sold it.
yeah, it was a Zen, the
Oh.
small Zen,
yeah.
Okay.
and I want to try to search for it, buy it back, and
You'll have
gift
to
it to my.
look for it like the
No, it was sold in the community itself.
हाँ, but what if they must have also sold it ना?
Yeah.
अभी कितना पुराना गाड़ी है?
Either that I can do, or he had this one pink caliber bike also,
Mhm.
which he was very obsessed with, very close to. He loved the bike more than he has ever loved me and Adi. And if you call that man and if you ask him, he will to the day say the same thing. And the thing is that my grandfather, due to some financial issues, had to sell that bike without informing my dad,
Oh no.
which was worse,
Oh.
because if he would have told my dad would have worked harder, earned some money, but not let him
Or at least would have been prepared for what's coming.
yeah, but not let him sell the bike. So he just lost the bike, and now there's no chance of that bike coming back. But
Mhm.
all we have is a reference picture. So what Adi and I do is like we are looking for bikes that are similar to that, and we are gonna get it exactly like that, modified.
Aw,
And
Whoa.
that's so cute.
we are planning to gift him by his 51st or 52nd birthday.
That's
how many years
so
away is
cute.
that?
2.
Oh, not bad.
I love that.
Yeah, so
I
I'm-
love that.
We are manifesting that now, Adi and I.
Love.
Love. I feel like a shared experience with I don't know if you guys have had this, but I know there's like a whole set of girlies that have had this or
Mhm.
have envisioned for themselves is I've had this dream since I was I don't know, a couple of in school. Let's say in school. Okay? And over the years that dream eventually faded away, but you know it's not such a bad idea. I want to open a bakery or like a food joint of my own, have and have it be very very cozy, okay?
Yeah.
Like I want you all to really like use your
I
imagination.
know your
at this
vibe because
time.
we dig the
Yeah.
same vibe.
It's
Yeah.
like go in /
No.
comfortable.
not
No,
go on.
Not like go on vibes, like how
Yeah.
it's on the shacks and it's very
No, not-
comfortable. You don't want it to be on a shack.
No,
Oh my god.
not I didn't. No, that never came to my mind. But
Like you have
Basically-
plants around, dim lights.
yes,
Yeah.
Wooden or like
Wooden,
not wooden.
interior.
yeah,
I know what
basically
you
a
want,
very
yeah.
cozy vibe.
Hmm.
And like I want that to be a place where people can come and just like log off.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you know, come have great food, come spend time. There's music, there's great food, there's like
Mhm.
it's just a vibe where the people are great, the food is great, the music is great. I want
Mhm.
I want that place to be where people look forward to come to, like after a
Mhm.
day, a long day,
I see
after
it.
whatever they've gone through. And I don't know, this is I personally would love to go to a place like that, and I have found pockets of places like this around Bombay.
But you won't find everything in one place.
Exactly, you won't find everything
You'll
in
do
one
that.
place. And let's be honest, a lot of these places are not affordable
Yeah.
to go on a regular basis.
Because
to,
these places do sell you an experience.
I was exactly,
Yeah.
I was about to say. So, to be honest, the price that they display is valid. It's quite
Mhm.
fair because they're not only selling you the food or whatever, it's
Hmm.
also the experience.
Mhm.
But I haven't thought about the financials about it, finances yet.
You're
We
just a
will-
girl.
But
We will discuss
we
later.
will discuss this post this episode. But yeah, that is something I don't know. It doesn't have to be practical or anything, but it's just something that I don't know why to this day I keep thinking about it.
Hmm.
And of course now I don't think about it very seriously
Mm.
because I'm like, oh, when will I do it? I
Mhm.
don't have any background about it. But again, you never know how things may work out.
Right.
So yeah.
One more thing on my bucket list is I have a very strong feeling that's gonna come true is that I want to see all 7 wonders of the world. Like Out of 7, I've checked.
Doable.
Much doable.
That's all. Out of 7, I've already checked off one. That's the Taj Mahal, and I want to do the other 6.
Hmm.
And this has been on my bucket list ever since I knew that there's a thing called bucket lists, and you can write whatever the fuck you want to on that list. This has been on the list ever since.
Seven
It's like
wonders.
it's always on the top of
yeah.
everything. Like car is second. This is first. Like imagine if a
Ooh.
car is second for me.
Yeah.
I like that one statement. If the day I achieve it is gonna be, I won't stop gloating about it.
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna tell
Hmm.
everyone
yeah.
that this one thing on my bucket list, which has been on the list ever since,
yeah.
and I've done it finally, and I cannot wait to check that off of my list.
So
bro.
very similar along those lines. I want to watch F1 in Monaco.
Oh my god,
Having pizza and wine. Like,
bitch!
Ooh.
I wanna visit.
can we do that? Let's make it a shared bucket list.
Let's do it. I wanna visit Monaco just for the fuck of it. I wanna feel poor. I genuinely want to feel poor
Yes,
in Monaco. Like
yes,
oh,
like
make me
slap
feel
it
poor.
in my face.
yes.
So that I go home and work harder.
एक गाड़ी की चाबी फेंक के मार दे, थोड़े पैसे फेंक के मार दे, मेरे को मैं बिल्कुल ईगो पे नहीं लूंगी.
Bro, people in Monaco are like
If you,
very
if you
rich.
if you think Dubai bling,
Very.
if you think those people in Dubai bling are rich, you're not prepared for Monaco.
Monaco.
You're not prepared for Monaco. It's like a very chotu town,
With all royal people staying and they're
fucking crazy.
it's
Every
beautiful.
every half person on the street,
is a
has
billionaire.
top to bottom, everything branded.
Eh,
Top
and
to bottom.
just not regular brands.
It's
like
crazy, bro.
Like the high end.
yeah, people
Very.
Old money kind.
yeah, people buy groceries like vegetables in in a Goyard bag. Can you imagine?
F1, yes. In Monaco, yes.
F1 and Monaco bucket list manifesting.
Let's do it. I'm gonna
I
write
love
it down
that.
now.
Yeah.
I love that.
2029. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Damn.
Doable.
That's nice.
Speaking of cars, of course, cars had to be on my bucket list, and one car that I don't care if I'm not able to afford any other car that I really love, but there's this one car called the Jaguar F-Type, and like
Okay.
I have been obsessed with Jaguars even before I knew, or like even before I was into cars myself. Like I would see a Jaguar and I would know mera din acha jane wala hai. I still believe it today. Like if I see a Jaguar like randomly around, I know कि मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा जाने वाला है. It's like a preconceived notion in my head. And this is one car. Like the day I am able to buy this car is when I can like sit back and be like, listen, मैंने सब कर लिया है. मुझे जो करना था मैंने कर लिया है. अब जिसको जो करना है वो करो. जिसको जो बोलना है वो बोलो, because I've had it. This is one thing that I'm very materialistic about. Like cars in general, of course. But like this specific car is something that I hold very close to my heart. Like even if
Yeah.
I see it on the road, I'm gonna stand there for 5 minutes just adoring the car.
Yeah.
Like I don't care whoever thinks I'm a crazy person or whatever, but I'm gonna stand there, soak that car in, and be like, one day that's gonna be mine.
Yeah, no, because
Yeah.
there have been times where we've been traveling on the road, and then if Srishti, Zia, or I see a car, which is like very obviously a luxury car, we're like, Ritika, 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 look.
और फिर रितिका ऐसे देखते हैं जैसे उसका खड़ा हो गया है.
She's like,
मैं भी
Yeah.
खड़ी हो जाती हूँ.
she loses it a little bit.
Yeah.
But ठीक है यार.
But and if Ritika will call someone out if she sports a luxury car, then it's me because she knows that the other
Yeah.
won't get
Fair,
it.
fair.
Yeah.
So
True.
that is my bucket list, that I want to have a very sexy, elaborate car garage. Like I don't mind living in a
Same.
1 BHK khotara sa ghar with like very chotu space, but I need to have those cars in my garage.
No, I want a sea-facing apartment.
Nah, I don't care about the sea facing. I want a very chotu, cozy house, enough for my family to live in. And you know, like it has everything that you need to survive. It doesn't have to be like a very elaborate, very fancy, you know, like Italian marbles kind of a house. It has to be very like
Gharelu.
घरेलू.
the vibe that we dig.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
I there's this one reel
One reel.
of the curtains like blowing in the wind Okay, and that I don't know if you've seen that video.
I think we've sent it to
We
each other.
sent it to
for
each other,
sure.
bro. It's such a gharelu house, bro. It's like
That's
nice,
the
soft,
house.
soft sofa,
Yeah.
nice flooring.
It's very
also.
cottagecore.
Very cottagecore. This plants is an old
Is it
window.
similar
too
to
good.
the house that we've made, like my family and I? The interior.
No,
No. I'll show you the reel. It's
Yeah.
very gharelu, very simple.
That is the first thing that came to my
extravagant
mind.
colors. But yeah, that's the house I dig for.
Yeah.
What is one experience that you would want Dhritika to have or me to have? Or like a bucket list for us?
Oh, are we making bucket lists for each other?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I need time to think for both of y'all.
I don't have a bucket list for you guys, but I have like these one or two specific things that I want you guys to achieve.
No. Wait, we should turn this into a game.
Okay.
Yeah, we need time to think, yaar. Wait.
Yeah. Time as in let's take like 1 minute
Yeah.
and come
1
down.
minute,
Come up
30 seconds.
35 chalte rahiye. 1 minute 35 seconds and we come up with 3 to 5 bucket list topics or like goals that we envision for the other two.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, or like what we think the other person would want for themselves.
Got it.
Okay.
Done?
Got it.
Yeah, what we'll do is we'll ask someone from behind the camera to assign numbers to each other and we'll see who gets picked for who.
Yep.
Hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
Cut. Okay, so now we have each of our persons.
Yes.
Srishti goes to Dhritika. Dhritika comes to me and I go to Srishti. So
Yes.
we all write each
Have a
other's
person
things.
who you want to write.
Is the timer started? 3, 2, 1. सृष्टि ऐसे नहीं लिखना है.
हाँ, done.
I'm scared.
I have only 4.
Oh, only
3 इधर दिमाग रगड़ के
वही
निकाले.
भाई.
सारे तो फनी नहीं है ना, एक तो अच्छा है ना.
मेरे सब हाँ ठीक है.
मेरे oh my god. Okay. Who wants to go first?
Suresh, go first. She's very enthused
Yeah.
about. She has 4. So yeah.
Okay, so for Sanjana, I want her to own a bar, like she said.
Oh yes.
And I've had it since the beginning of the episode. So
You have what?
I've thought about you owning a bar. I've always.
Oh my
wanted to.
god.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, imagine the 4 of us at Sanjana's bar. And when
छोड़ेंगे
they're
ही नहीं
chilling.
भाई. Permanent customer.
God.
Dude, we'll like actually make like 4 copies of her bar, ka chabi, and just like randomly walk in
Yeah.
whenever.
Yeah.
That'll be so much fun.
Yeah.
Oh my
And
god.
The second one would be for you to go on a solo trip.
Yes.
I see you doing that.
Me too.
Yes.
Yeah.
I do.
And then have a crazy life-changing conversation with a localite or like a stranger.
She is a localite.
No, but I love like meeting new people and like
Mhm.
learning about like different cultures and about
Mhm.
different people.
Mhm.
So yeah, that's good.
And the last one is I want you to have dreadlocks.
What?
I see
Why? Why do you see me in dreadlocks?
I see it. And you
I
look
know.
like North.
I mean,
North.
You look like Northwest with those dreadlocks. And being like, pimple patch, pimple patch, pimple patch.
Okay.
Dude, I'm a very imaginative person. Like, you say it
Sure.
and I'm imagining it.
I have never said that. This is all you. This is all you. Head to toe, this is you. But
how
sure.
fun would it be to see
She would
you?
look so good.
Yeah.
But I anyways have scanty hair. One dreadlock will come with the hair I have. But anyway, sure. I guess I'll go next.
Yeah.
So I have 3 things for Dhritika, and this is something that you've always said in passing.
Mm-hmm.
But I genuinely wish for you to live alone and have a house of your own someday. And
That was on my bucket list too, actually.
yeah, I want you to
Yeah.
have, like, I want you to be in charge of your life and,
Hmm.
like, you know, your house and, like,
Hmm.
just create a space of your own
Right.
and live independently. That is one. I want you to either, now this is up to you. I'm leaving a little bit, giving you a little bit of liberty for your for this bucket list that I've made for you.
Abhari.
Yeah, you're welcome. You either own a sexy car
Mm-hmm.
or have a wall in your house
Hmm.
with like shelves
Hmm.
and have a collection of
Miniatures.
of those cars. I see that in your house. I don't know why. I feel like that is a collection that you would build over the years.
Yes.
And you would go to different places and collect these
Yeah.
miniatures.
this is not on my bucket list, but I want to have a wall or a corner that in my house that is exactly
dedicated
like
to
that.
this.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
For sure.
And the third one is I want you to master the art of winging your wing liner.
It-
Yeah, no, I'm so glad because I think I brought this into existence.
yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
So those are my 3 things for your
Love.
bucket list.
I love.
Thank you.
So for Srishti, I have the first is to not get hyperfixated onto things and people. That's very important, and do not do that.
yeah.
Second, I
Yes.
have for you is please like blend your base properly. Like the fuck?
Yes.
there's like patches everywhere of her skin showing. No,
Yeah.
we are very professionals. We are very professionals
we are
we're
very
very
professional.
at this point to know that, like especially you,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? And the third thing I think, please make like good nail choices.
Yeah. No, but I feel like it wasn't her fault.
No, she was the one to pick those ugly ass shapes for her nails. Despite of me telling her 1,000 times,
See,
if
the-
you don't get it, call me. I will tell you what exactly you're supposed to get.
Hmm.
But the last time we got our nails
Because we were
done-
together. We were there to assist you.
Facts. Factomundus.
Yes. So
Big
this,
facts.
this is what I have for you.
Okay,
on your bucket
noted.
list.
Yes. Love that.
Very doable.
Very doable.
Doable, and I think you've already like learned your lesson about nails.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You started to do a good job.
Yeah.
But I think for one last thing, what we should do is ask the audience what are some of the things that are there on your bucket lists, or if you haven't made one, like I think we should give them a challenge to make a bucket list.
Yeah.
sure.
And if you already have one, like let us know in the comments down below, because we would love to get an idea of the kinds of bucket lists that our audience have, because I know that our audience range has a wide range. So
Mhm.
I just want to know what the younger audience have on their bucket
Yeah,
list
yeah.
compared
Definitely.
to a little
The-
of the older audience.
Yeah.
And if you've watched up until now, comment the notepad.
Yes, that's what I had in mind too.
And
Emoji?
the bucket emoji.
Yes.
We're so in sync. We should start a podcast. But yeah, if you've watched up until now, comment down what we've asked you to comment. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with people you've made bucket lists with, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel below.
And if you're listening to us on Spotify, give us a good rating, 5 stars.
Yes.
And if you listen to us, let us know that you listen to us on Spotify, because we would love to know what you think about us on an audio platform.
Yes.
If you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you follow us over there, like our reels, share them with your friends you want to make bucket lists with and want to have these like shared experiences
Yes.
as well. And do comment nice things. Until next
Until
time.
next time.
Stay
Stay
Besharam.
Besharam.
Bye bye.